Hi everyone, in this math tutorial, you'll be studying how to add, subtract, multiply and divide fraction. So let's get started. So we'll subtract whole with fraction. We'll use 4 subtracted by half. So to do this, you can multiply 4 with 2 and you can get 8. Put it at the top and you move the minus 1 behind 8. So 8 minus 1 and the 2, just move it down there. So now you have 8 minus 1 equals 7 over 2, or in the simplest form it is 3.5. The next is subtract fraction with fraction. We use 3/4 minus 1/3. For doing this, we can use a cross multiplication. So we'll multiply 3 with 3, 4 with 1. For the 3 times 3, we will put first at the beginning and then continue by 4 times 1. We have 9 minus 4. And then next we multiply 4 with 3, so we get 12. 9 minus 4 equals 5. And the down number is 12. So it is 5/12. The next one, we will add fraction with fraction. So in this example, we will add 1/5 plus 4/6. The same we will use cross multiplication. 1 times 6 with 5 times 4. We put 1 times 6 first and then continue by 5 times 4 equals 20. And the down number we put 5 times 3, so equal 30. And then 6 plus 20 equal 26 over 30. You can simplify this by dividing both numbers with the equal numbers. It is 2, so 26 divided by 2, 13, 30 divided by 2, 15. The answer is 13/15. Let's move on to the multiplication between fraction and fraction. We have 2/5 times 3/4. For doing this, we can multiply the numerator with numerator and the denominator with denominator. So 2 times 3 equals 6 and 5 times 4 equals 20. You can simplify this by dividing them with 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 20 divided by 2 tens. So the answer is 3 tens. Easy. So last but not least, it is a division. We'll divide fraction with fraction through 3/4 divided by 2/3. For doing this, we can use a cross multiplication, but the difference is we will put the 3 times 3 as the numerator and 4 times 2 as the denominator. So we have 9/8, or we can make it into mixed number 1 and 1/8. Bye bye, see you in the next video.